DDR, or double data rate, refers to a type of synchronous dynamic random access memory used in computers. DDR memory allows data to be transferred on both the rising and falling edges of the clock signal, effectively doubling the data transfer rate compared to traditional SDRAM. There are several generations of DDR memory, each offering improved performance over its predecessor. DDR, the original DDR, operating at a data transfer rate of up to 400 MHz. DDR2, the second generation, with higher clock speeds and improved efficiency, reaching data transfer rates of up to 800 MHz. DDR3, introduced higher data transfer rates, ranging from 800 MHz to 2133 MHz, along with lower power consumption compared to DDR2. DDR4, improved performance and energy efficiency, with data transfer rates starting from 2133 MHz and going up to 3200 MHz and beyond. DDR5, the latest generation, offering even higher data transfer rates and increased bandwidth compared to DDR4. DDR5 is designed to meet the demands of modern computing and emerging technologies. Each new DDR generation typically features advancements in speed, capacity, and efficiency, making it suitable for the evolving requirements of computer systems.